Blessings, family. So I'm just back with just a quick word. I had a dream that I was writing in my notebook, and I wrote the word monkeypox. So God is saying there will be more cases of monkeypox. So, um, you know, pray, of course, stay prayed up and stay close to the Lord. We know in part and we prophesy in part. So, um, that is the part that I know that was revealed to me. Um, that is all I know. That is what God was speaking to me about. There will be more cases of monkeypox. So pray, to the Lord. And like I said, stay close to Him. Have a blessed day.